Haier refrigerator is global #1 for 13 consecutive years. It also the IFC International Preservation Standard creator. It realized a breakthrough of creating IFC standard for Chinese brands. Have you ever seen salmon fish well preserved in the fridge for 7 days? Haier refrigeration with MCA technology can make it. It can delay the oxidation process and keep your food fresh 8 times longer. Okay, so what about the food stored in the freezer? It should have icing crystals all around and taste not fresh, but the Haier invents the fresher shield and fix the issue. It helps the temperature stay stable and your food tastes as its first day. Haier has other fresher technologies such as bottom cooling, HCS, pressure sensor and pressure patch. All these technologies provide you with a healthy and fresh food solution. It keeps wine in a perfect status, providing stable temperature and humidity, creating cellar-grade storage. Haier 5G refrigerator is an ecological place for IoT. It has face organization to satisfy you with all your needs, food management to provide you with recipes based on food left inside. It also has such function as voice control and online purchasing.